In this video, I will be showing you how to export your video into an MP4 format in Adobe Premiere Pro. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications to watch my videos every week. Alright, after you have edited your video in Adobe Premiere Pro, make sure to go to File, which is on the top over here, and click on Export and select Media. Now this screen thing will pop up and you have to adjust some settings over here. The first settings you got to change is the format. Make sure your format is in H.264 so you get an MP4 format file. And change your preset. You can select different types of presets, but if you're going to upload a YouTube video, just simply select the YouTube 1080p HD. And the next thing is to change your output name. You can just simply select this and change your name to the file you like to name it, and you can select where you want to place your file, either on your desktop or anywhere else. I'm just going to save it on videos, and here you can see the file format is going to turn out to come as MP4. So there you go, that's your file format which is going to be saved in this video. And now make sure you have these two boxes selected to make sure you have exported the audio and the video from this video. And here you can see where you have saved your file on your laptop or whatever the device you are using. And make sure your basic video settings, the width of it is 1920 and your height is 1080. This means your video will be having a 1080p HD quality graphics for your video. These settings do not really matter, but what matters is you just got to scroll down and check for your bitrate settings. Make sure you change your bitrate encoding to CBR, because most of the times you may have it on VBR or VBR2 pass. And over here you can check for the size of the video by dragging it, and most of the time it will be under 62. So I would recommend you to at least have it till 20, and you can check for your file size over here, and make sure to tick this box to render the maximum quality. And the rest of the settings do not really matter, so to get a normal 1080p video if you are a basic beginner. And there you go, that's it for this tutorial. Make sure to leave a like on this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe on this channel, and I'll see you in next week's video.